Buckle up, Buttercup, because we got a good one for you today. Today we're going to be taking a look at the best Tesla accessory you can buy for just $15. These are going to make your car look so much better because Teslas have terrible interior lighting. You can hardly see a thing at night and it just bothers me so much. So these are LED lights. They're actually smart that go into your car. They can connect with your phone. They can dance to music, do all of these cool things, and I'm so excited to share them with you today. So inside the box, so far pretty good packaging. You just have light strips, okay? So just light strips, I guess some zip ties maybe, and the QR code for their app. So if you need that QR code, it's right there. So looking at the actual product here, they give you 4 LED strips with 3M adhesive on the back. So you're gonna be able to put them on all 4 seats, 2 in the front and 2 in the rear. So you're gonna apply the adhesive on the underside of the seat. It's going to look great. It's giving you nice ambient lighting, and the cord is very, very long to reach all the seats you need. I also like that the cord's black so it blends in and you don't see the cord. That's a big thing. The other thing here is the cigarette port. So this is how you're gonna power them. You're gonna plug it into your cigarette port, and it comes with a power button here, which is nice if you're using it for a normal car because you don't want to drain your car battery. But if you're using a Tesla, it really doesn't matter. These are not going to take much battery at all, so you really don't have to worry about that. Also right here is the smart connector. This is how you connect to the LED strips with your phone. It uses Bluetooth, so you can change all the scenes, do all the settings, change the brightness through the app, or you have the manual buttons here, the power, scene selector, and the brightness. So now let me show you how to put these in your car and setting them up through the app. So let's go to the Tesla. So we're in the Tesla now. I got the light strips right here. I'm excited to show you exactly how to put these things into your car, connect them with the phone, go through all the scenes. It's about to be nighttime too, so it's gonna look so good. Let's do it. So I got these things back out of the box, and the first thing you need to do is decide which side is gonna go on the passenger side and which side is gonna go on the driver's side. So how this works is you're gonna say, let's say this is going on the passenger side. This LED strip that's attached to the controller here is gonna go into the front. And then the LED strip that's attached to the other LED strip is going to extend using the cord to the underside of the rear seat. So you're gonna have your passenger side, so your front, this one's your front, this one's your back, and then your driver's side, this one's the front, and then this one's the back. So now I'm just taking off this 3M adhesive, and we are going to stick this right here. You can't see it when you're standing up just walking in. So that is the front one. And then now this back one right here is going to route to the side right here. This cord is going to route this back here. And yes, I know it's not looking great yet, but we'll just do a little cord management and it's going to look great. So now we're going to undo this adhesive strip right here. I got it now. And so now we're going to stick this to the underside of this seat right here. All right, so it is now under there. You can't even see it, which is actually good. And then we're just gonna fix this cord. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tuck this cord right underneath the carpet. So what that's gonna do is that's gonna keep it nice and tight, and you're not gonna be able to see the cord. So let me do that and then I'll show it to you. See, that looks a lot better. You can barely see that cord. If you can see it at all, I'll do a little bit more management here in a little bit, but you can see it really doesn't look too bad. And then I'll move around this cord as well so you can't see it, but overall it doesn't look too bad. I like that it's black, so it does blend in the best it can with the interior. So I'm gonna do the driver's side now, and let's get this thing done. So now we're on the driver's side. I'm gonna take off the adhesive like I did with the other ones. Stick this right underneath here. It's gonna go right there. Seems good to me. Throw this one like we did the other one, back around the seat here. Then attach this cable and tuck these under so it looks nice and neat. So now we got the other strip right here. We're just going to stick this to the underside down here. Let's see if I can show you that. Let's try to stick it up here. Well, let's see if I can find a better spot. Wow, this is freaking crazy. How am I doing this right now? This is like acrobatic. Oh, there's a good spot. We found the gold mine. Perfect. That could go right here. And now doesn't even matter about the adhesive. It's gonna work freaking perfectly. But here we go. So you can see maybe, I don't know if you can or not, but it's right there. You can see it, it goes right under there. Looks great. Let me do that on the other side as well. So take this off, and then we're gonna do what I did with the other one. See this? I'm upside down right now, man. This is insane. All right, definitely takes a little more work than I thought, but I got it. I figured it out here, and it's gonna look even better. There's these little straps underneath here that work perfectly. I'm sure they're not designed for this use case, but they work great, and they're holding these light strips exactly where they need to be. Okay, so there you go. Can you see it right there? This takes a lot more work than I thought, but they are installed now, and now I'm going to plug them in and show you how to connect them to the app. So after all that, we can plug them in, turn them on, and see how they look. So you might be saying, well, all these cords and stuff don't look good. And I would say, yes, that is one of the things that could be a problem for your car. If it doesn't have like places to hide it or anything, it may not look the best. But for me, I know if I just spend a little more time, you can hide them in the carpet area and all of that, so you don't see them that much. And these cords and cables, you could attach them to that and then wire them through here. But for now, I'm just gonna plug these in and make sure they work, and then we're gonna connect to my phone and see all the scenes and dancing with music and all that cool stuff. I'm gonna find the cigarette port in here. It's right there. And we are just going to plug these in. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was anticlimactic. 3, 2, 1. Oh my, that looks so good. Look at that, that is freaking awesome. Wow, that actually is way better than I thought it would look. So these things do work, and now let's connect them to our phone and see all the cool scenes and everything that you can do. So now we're gonna download the app. It is called the VONT Home app. So it looks like this. I don't know if you can see that, so it looks like that. And I'm going to download that now. All right, so I have the VONT Home app here. I'm not gonna do notifications. Definitely allow Bluetooth, and sign me up for an account. I am inside the app, and let's do add a device. So I'm going to click allow, the car light strip, and it is popped up right there. Okay, so now we just gotta wait a second for it to pair with our phone. It should be pretty quick. Wow, there we go. That was awesome. You can't see it here, but all the lights just lit up here. And I'm gonna click confirm and download the new firmware for the device. I guess maybe they added some new features or something, but that should be pretty quick. All right, so now I have my phone connected with the lights, and we are gonna try some of these colors real quick. So let's try blue. Ooh, yeah, that looks really nice. Look at that. That is very, very nice. Red. Yeah, red. That looks really good too. Green. Okay, green's pretty good. And you can actually do any color you want. So you just, slide this along the wheel and stop, and it will change it to any color you want. So that's really, really cool. That is a good, simple thing. So if you just want one color, and then now let's try scenes. So they have, this is the vivid scene. So all the colors, I guess it just flashes through all the colors. So let's try relax mode. This looks more like, simple colors, more calm colors, just going through a few of them, kind of slower. Let's try breathe. So, okay, so that's gonna do like, a pulsing almost. Happy. Okay. Interesting. Enthusiastic. So that seems like, I'm not even sure, but it seems like a cool little mode to have. Excited. So that's breathing a little bit faster pretty much, with more oranges and blues and that kind of thing. Oh, there's even more. Active. That's going really fast. Warm. This is going to be like a fireplace almost. Quiet. So that's more greens. Profound. Blues. Longing. Purples. And blues again. So then you can do DIY too to create your own scene. Let's just do like a blue, a pink, a yellow, and let's do a green. Okay, so now we got those colors. Save to my colors, and let's do a speed of very, very fast. Save. Oh, enter a name. RRR. Save. And apply. Oh yeah, so there you go. It's gonna go really fast like I made it. Pretty cool. Really, really cool. Okay, so you can create scenes, do everything you want there. You can select, a color like we just went through, all the different colors, and then there's a music mode that'll react. Whoa! To music. So this is the music mode actually, and it's going to go crazy. It's gonna, react to your voice, or really music, and make your car like a disco party. So that's a cool mode too. So that is everything with the app here. This is the before. This is how it looks like with just the standard ambient lighting. You can't really tell, but this is very, very dim. You can barely see anything. If you know anything about cameras, this camera is having to shoot at ISO 12,800 just to see anything, which is very, very high, and why it looks very grainy right now. But when you turn on the lights, so this is the before, when you turn on these lights, look at that. That looks so, so nice. It's in the back too. So it actually goes down to ISO 3200. So you can just tell how much more light it provides, and actually how cool it really looks inside this car. Like, I love the way this really looks. It goes very nice with a black, white, and then you got a red accent or whatever color, all the scenes, music. It's gonna really, really make my car look very, very cool. Let me show you how the back looks with these lights on. Yep, looks really, really nice. Look at this. So there's the back, when you're sitting down in the rear seats. Look at that. That is awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Love you. Peace.